Hello! Today we'll be doing the FizzBuzz challenge. Okay, start off with the FizzBuzz challenge. What we'll be doing is we'll be writing a short program that prints each number from 1 to 100. Now we're not actually going to stop it on 100, since in fact it would probably be more complicated to make it so that you can only have it from 1 to 100, made so that you can work on negative numbers. We have not tested decimals. That's something which I do want to test, and also some other stuff. Then for each multiple of 3, print Fizz instead of the number. For each multiple of 5, print FizzBuzz instead of the number. For numbers which are multiples of both 3 and 5, print FizzBuzz instead of the number. Now, one thing which they forgot to tell you is that if it isn't any of these, it's just supposed to write the number. But for all, that's all. So let's start writing. Anyways, the code is going to be it's going to be short, kind of long, but it's going to be pretty short. So let's start. Okay, first of all, we're going to need to start a function. So, function, start, function, start, and let's go here. Okay, then in here we'll not focus on that, and we're going to go for number. Then let's go in here. I'm not sure how my webcam is boost because it should be there. You should hide this. Okay. Have number, then in here this is where the thing actually starts. Okay. Now let's go to wait, let me remember. Oh yeah, an if statement. If that's correct. Okay, so if number equals if number percent number percent 3 triple equal 0, and then we need to copy this. Now try not to go through this too quickly. So right here you have function start number parentheses if number. It's pretty much if the number will continue if the number gets continually divided will equal to 0, and will equal to if it was 5 and it was divided by 5 a lot of times, infinity times, would it end up to 0. Now this is going to be the FizzBuzz part. Bam. Then this part's going to be Fizz. Yeah, that part's going to be Fizz, and this part's going to be Buzz. So then then we're gonna have con console.log. Console.log. Bam. Then we should just type in FizzBuzz. Then after this, we can also we could indeed make multiple functions like start 1 would be the one to test if it would be FizzBuzz, 2 would be to test if it would like buzz, and then third one would be Fizz. But for now we're just going to make it into one. Of course that would be much more convenient. So we want to make it much more convenient. Okay. Oh yeah, also we forgot to mention that this is into var, so we actually need to we need to cross this off. Then the next thing is pretty much copy this twice, which is pretty much all that we really need to do. Now I'm specifically ordering this, but I'll get to why I'm specifically deleting it like that later. And then after this, this one needs to be buzz, and this one needs to be fizz. Then after that, that's all we need to do, really. Except there's one thing. Now we can call this, start 3. Then you won't see anything, but go to console. Then you'll see. And you might not see anything, but I think that's because that has to be here. What's up with console? No. Okay, well, we're supposed to put in a number. So wait, we're supposed to do function start. Then we're supposed to put in a number. Then it's supposed to. You know, I'll figure this out. Don't be too worried about it. Let's just make sure that can't be anything outside. No. Okay, that's great to know. And all we need is number. If number %5, we check something. If this is correct. Oh, there's nothing wrong with this. Well, actually, it might have to do with there not being anything after here. Nope, that isn't the case. I wonder. What do we need to do? And there's something which I do want to try. Oh, wait, we need to add one more thing actually before we talk about doing anything else. We also need to put else. We'll need to put an else on dot log console.log number. Let's console.log number. Yeah. So, okay. Now there is one thing. Else if, and then I'm gonna copy that. Else if. Okay. And then we did this. Okay, so this is pretty much a finished product. Well, I've been trying a lot and really couldn't get it to change. I tried changing the name. We changed the number to just name it num, and we also tried getting rid of the semicolons. And it doesn't look like it's working. Again, just to prove, we're going to redo that, and then as you can see, nothing pops up in the console. So we decided to try it on a different editor, because this is one editor and there's multiple. So we decided to try a different one. Play code. Then we can type in that, and then bam, it works. Surprisingly, it's 11 because it's not any multiple. 15, like FizzBuzz. 1, just 1. 3 is Fizz. 5 is Buzz. 6 is Fizz. 7 is 7. 8 is 8. 9 is Fizz. 0 is surprisingly FizzBuzz. Okay, then there's 10, which is Buzz. Then there's, and all of these will be Buzz. So, yeah. But this is really it. The only reason why we are getting problems was because but anyways, let's see. Happened if we put in a decimal. Okay, like 3. The interesting thing about the decimal is it doesn't seem to be changing anything. Even no matter what you do, you really can't do much to change this. And the decimal doesn't do anything unless we put in a 7, then it actually just shows the decimal. So really, this is all that we can do. And it does indeed work. Okay, it does work on negative numbers like 3. Fizz. 5 is Buzz, and 15 is FizzBuzz. So it's glad to know that works. Again, I'm pretty sure it just has to do with the editor, which we were using, which is CodePen here. And we just decided to try something else, a different editor, and it worked. So it all was wrong with this after all. I spent so much time wondering what to do, but finally I figured it out. And really took so long. I was thinking for so long, how to do this. Again, this is just a way to prove that indeed I can do a challenge. And again, I will be ready for a job interview. At least as long as they don't ask anything too complicated, aside from this. And also if they're even still using this anymore. Probably, but you're probably gonna get asked harder stuff than this.